Hello everyone. Today, we're going to talk about how to set up UpsellMasters plugin for WooCommerce. Introducing the UpsellMaster Pro plugin, your ultimate solution for seamlessly integrating upsells throughout your website. So how can we implement upsells on autopilot using this plugin? First, you need to install and activate this plugin by going to your WordPress website, add new plugin, then upload plugin. Wait for it to load. Now, let's quickly check and make sure it is activated on the list of your plugins. Next, we go to the Upsells menu, then Products. Here you can see a full list of all base products, alongside the upsell products already generated for each. Now, in case you want to do some configuration changes to the upsell algorithm, you can go to Settings, Algorithm Logic. Here you can see all options you can change and adjust depending on your preference. Then below, you can adjust the priorities and the weight for each. Once you're done, click on Save. Go back to the Products page and recalculate. And that's it. Now you know how to implement upsells on autopilot in your WooCommerce WordPress web store using the UpsellMaster Pro plugin. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips, tricks and know-hows related to this plugin and to many more WooCommerce and easy digital downloads plugin. Thank you.